Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 2 of preparing PL 300 exam of Microsoft to become a certified data analyst. As I have already introduced in episode 1 about the course and structure for this exam. Also, we have gone through the question numbers from a set that I'm covering as part of this series. I'm also preparing for this exam. So yeah, those of you who haven't watched the episode one should definitely check it out. It's already out on my YouTube channel. So this is your host, Aapka consultant, covering 60 questions as part of set one for this prestigious exam to become certified Power BI data analyst. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started and go to question number two for this exam. So yeah, this question is as per the latest syllabus that this exam is covering. So it is based on Power BI report. So let's go through the question. To share a Power BI report with a colleague without granting them editing rights, what should you do? Option one is publish the report to the web. Option two is share a dashboard instead of a report. Option three is create a dedicated app workspace. Option four is provide them with view only access to the report. So you can go through these options, go through the questions. I will take a pause for 10 seconds. You can pause this video and let me know in comments what is the answer for this question. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution for this question. So yeah, it's option number D, provide them with view only access to the report. So yeah, as you have noticed that the question is asking about sharing a report without granting them editing rights, so that we don't want users to, edit the report when we share them in our BI service, share a report. But we are providing them the facility to, drill and slice and dice, filter, apply different filters to the visuals, but we are not giving them editing rights. So hence option 4 is the correct one. So in the coming slide, we'll be providing them detailed explanation of why this option 4 is the correct one. You can pause this video here, go through these solutions, like talking about control access, security, collaboration. So you can pause this video here and go through it. And yep, and also in the next slide it also talks about why option A, B, and C are not the correct one. And in summary, provide what does provide view only access to the report means. So yeah, you can also pause this video here, go through these explanations so you are fully well aware about this types of questions coming in this exam, PL 300. And also, brushing up your knowledge on this sharing reports on Power BI. And the resources that I have used is here, the Udemy course and the Microsoft Learn website, which talks about this question. So yeah, this is about question number two. Apart from this, let's go through the detailed explanation on the Microsoft Learn website. So let me open it. Before that, let's go to the dashboard and just walk you through the publish feature. So as you can see, I have this dashboard wherein I have these cards calculating total employees for a in a company, active employees, inactive employees, attrition rate, a simple bar chart, clustered stacked column chart, which is giving us employee hiring trends of attrition on attrition basis year on year. So yeah, you have this option of publish here, right above in top right, beside quick measure. So you can click on this publish, and you can publish this report on the app workspace. I don't have a work email with me, but yeah, if you have work email, you can definitely sign on to it, and it will give you it will walk you through the web portal, which we will see just now, and on the website as well. So yeah, let's go through this website. And yeah, so this article on Microsoft Learn talks about collaboration in workspaces. So as I was talking about, if you have a work email, you can go to app powerbi.com, wherein you can see these workspaces and my workspaces and the reports, which you can, this is a homepage where you can favorite your report and other items, right? And this article also talks about types of workspaces for business users, for standalone users, etc. This is how the interface looks like, wherein you have all the workspaces and you will see in which workspace you are part of. On the right pane you can see different types of reports, dashboards, and their models, who is the owner, what is the refresh date, next refresh date, etc. And then it also talks about permissions in the workspace, which is definitely the crux for this question. We are not, so there are basically four types of roles: viewer, member, contributor, and admin, which we can provide them, the end users, right? So in order to give these roles, you should have Power BI business user access. So you can give viewer role for a particular report which is already published in this workspace, and also talks about licensing, workspace, and capacity. So everything is covered in this article. You can go through it, and it will give you additional supplement of on this topic. And yeah, you can be well versed on it. And yep, so yeah, this is about second question which is coming in these days. And I hope you are preparing alongside me and looking forward to this wonderful journey ahead. So yeah, this is day 2, signing off, Aapka Consultant. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. See you on day 3. Take care. Bye bye.